Sisters and brothers in the Episcopal Church in Northern Indiana, grace and peace be with you in Jesus, the light for all people. It's early October, and we're standing outside the annex to the Cathedral of St. James building in South Bend. It's my privilege to introduce to you Christopher Hillak, who serves as the senior warden. Christopher, tell us a bit about what's going on at the Cathedral.
Thank you. We're really excited to be able to start a renovation project here at the beginning of November, where we will be renovating the office space in the classroom building. So on the first floor, we'll have brand new high-tech classrooms that we can use for both cathedral use and diocesan use, as well on the second floor, renovated office space for both the cathedral and the diocese.
The building you're seeing right now on 117 North Lafayette Avenue has been the space for the cathedral and diocese since the mid-50s. I want to say a word of thanks to all of you who make contributions to make this renovation possible. It's also my privilege to introduce to you Christopher Hillak, who as of the 1st of October began serving as our missioner for digital communications. Christopher, tell me what you're excited about in terms of this new opportunity for you.
Sure. Probably what I'm most excited about is to be able to tell the stories of what's happening in our diocese. Being able to post that through social media, through our blog, our website, being able to reach out and go a little bit deeper to find out what's really happening in each of our faith communities.
It's exciting to be able to share his gifts and skills along with the other missioners in our diocese. So, sisters and brothers, we'll keep you informed about how the renovation is going, pictures, look at all of our social media platforms for more information, and we'll see you at the convention here in South Bend on the 3rd of November. Grace and peace be with you. Bye-bye.